Hi guys, and welcome to Chuches Mind. If you're new here, my name is Uche Obajaka, and if you're not new here, my Chuches. I am a lifestyle, travel, fashion, food YouTuber. But today we're doing something different. So most of you have been asking me how I'm able to have this hair on my head, and I happen to be a natural hair girl.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag sauce, you drip the swag too.
Oh. Welcome to Chuches Mind.
I may be young, but I'm ready to give you all my love.
Please subscribe, I'm hungry.
Good evening to you. No birds are chirping. Cuckoo. So guys, in this video I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this look. So yes, keep watching, because I know you guys have been like, how come you have a natural hair and you're able to have a slick, what do you call it, slick bun, slick hairdo? I don't know, but yes, you can see I just put water on my hair. Like, I literally make my hair really wet. Like, you know how after you finish washing your hair and it is wet? That's the state of my hair at the moment. Can you guys see? So yes, what I'll do is I'm going to comb it. This is not how to comb natural hair. Okay, let me do it the right way. Let me do it the right way. You kind of section it anyway, and then comb for the tip before you start from the root. That's this side done. Then cut part of here as well. Ooh. Okay, so guys, because my hair is brown, I will not be using the black hair gel. I'll insert the picture here because I don't have it with me. But then, because the black hair gel will make my hair black, and there's no point. So I use this. And for your edges, if you feel like your edges are not slick enough, you can use edge control, but I don't really like using edge control. Or you can use hey, I will set a picture here. I can't remember the name of the glue. Got to be Gorilla Glue. I think it was the Gorilla Glue. No. Or you can use the Gorilla Glue for your edges, but I won't be using that in this video because I really don't want to. So it's either there are two ways of doing this. You can literally cut your hair into two at the back like this, yeah, and then pack, I don't know if you guys can see, and then pack this section. So let's see, I do this now, and I take this hairbrush like comb, and I just brush it like this, and then I pack it. But because I don't want to do that method, I just want to pack everything at the go because I really don't have time. So let's do that method. Either you part your hair, you don't part your hair, it's up to you. I'm going to part my hair into two. I want to give it like a side pattern. So if I cut it like this, I'll have to comb it towards this direction. Can you see I don't even need glue, and it's already staying down. So yeah, better to get like a cotton comb or something. As for me, I don't have that at the moment. I don't know where I kept it. So I part it into two. Can you see? I comb this side down. Can you see that? And then this side as well. It will be easier if you do the first one I showed you. So if you pack the first part and then you pack this second one too with the one that you've packed underneath. Do you get? So once you do that, it will be way easier. And then with this one that I have now, I'll take this brush and slick it down. Can you see the brush makes a difference? Makes it stay down some more. Can you see that? Slick. God damn it. Then this one again is to struggle. Because I want to pack it. I take this.
Any ideas?
Can you see how it's making a difference? That's good. I'm not really sure what you guys are seeing because I can't see my camera per se. So by the time I do this, I'll brush it my hand. Can you see? The same way goes for center pattern. If you do that, you cut it in the middle and then you keep slicking it down. So with my natural hair, I'm able to do this. Then if you don't have rubber band, you can take this. And I advise, if you're using a rubber band, you have to do it twice, like in the sense that you do it twice like this before you pack your hair, or you do it 3 times before you pack your hair. So I've brushed it everywhere, and then now I make it really tight. Another way you can do this is by using thread, but I don't get thread at the moment, so I have to make do with this.
Any ideas?
I'm trying to make it really tight. So once I've done this, I will now take this brush and slick it down. Can you see? Let me move closer. So as I've used, and also don't forget the back side too. Let me show you guys. This is stress. So you push it backwards. Then you take your gel. I take it in large quantities. Then you take it. You now start. Can you see how it's staying down? So these ones are not staying back, they will stay back by the time you apply the gel. I really don't know how my eyes look because I'm looking at the viewfinder instead of looking at the lens. Then the back side as well. Then I go in with this brush again. Let it stay down. I know it's looking white, but just use your hand to slick it back down and the white things will disappear. Can you see? Everything white has gone, even here as well. And if you're not satisfied with this brush, go in with this. It will make your hair white. Observe. It's just the gel and the water mixing together. Is it white? Did it turn white? Okay, no. This time around, it didn't turn white. Oh yeah. This is what you basically do. Can you see how slick and laid back it is? Even here as well. Then do the same for the back. You can use your edge control to like. I'm just using this to brush it. I'm not putting edge control or anything. Voila! Slick! And to top it all up, you take a silk scarf. You know I have a video like this on my channel. I'm going to insert a card here or in description box for you guys to see when I did this kind of hairdo like 4 years ago, 3-4 years ago. And then make sure you tie it properly. So you have to take it forward, like here, and press it down. Can you see? Tight. So, okay. So that by the time you are done with this, ooh, child. Ooh, ooh, ooh. To be sleek. So this is all you have to do. Learn from me. If you have any gel in your house, you can use any gel. This is the gel I happen to have in my house. That's why I'm using this gel. I had the black one because if you watch the sister shoot I did with my sister, I used the black one on her hair. I didn't show you guys, but if you look at her hair, I used the black one on her hair. I used this one on my hair. So yes guys, that's all for my sleek bone hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And okay, yeah. I was about to say if you want to know how I did this makeup look as well, I have a video on it.
Please subscribe, I'm hungry.